How to add money without debit card to Cash App. There are 3 really easy workarounds to get this done. Let's break them down real quick. The first option is just bypassing the debit card entirely and linking your actual bank account. To do that, just tap your profile icon up here in the top right corner. Scroll down and hit Linked Banks. Instead of clicking the debit card option, just tap right below it where it says Link Bank. Cash App will safely walk you through connecting your account directly, meaning you never have to type in a card number. Now, if you don't want to link your bank account either, the second way is probably your best bet. Go down to the little card icon on the bottom left menu. You can order a physical cash card right here. It is completely free to get. Just tap Get Free Cash Card, pick a style you like, you can even customize it, and hit Order Card. Once it arrives in your mail, you can walk into stores like Walgreens, CVS, or 7-Eleven, hand the cashier physical paper money, and they will load it straight onto your Cash App balance right there. If you need money on your app right this second and can't wait for a card, here is your absolute last option, the friend swap. Just have a buddy send you $20 or $50 directly through their app to your cash tag, and then you just hand them a physical $20 or $50 bill in real life to pay them back. And honestly, those are the only 3 ways to make it happen without a debit card. If this helped you out, hit that like button real quick. Also, if you have a physical check you need to clear into your balance next, go watch my full breakdown on how to deposit checks in Cash App, all details covered right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you there.